Effortlessly craft content for 20 products in mere 5 minutes with WriteText.ai Bulk. In this video, we've prepared various fictional sample products in Magento. Every product listed in Magento is automatically displayed in the WriteText.ai interface for ease of use. Using the WriteText.ai interface, we first select the products for which we want to write metadata and product descriptions. You have the option to choose either one product at a time or the entire list at once. Next, we select Bulk Generate. In this pop-up, we will choose the specific type of web content for which we intend to write text. Next, we select the tone, style, and the target audience for our content. Finally, select attributes for WriteText.ai Bulk to incorporate into the text. You can also select the image for each product for a more accurate product text. The attribute list may be extensive across various product categories, but it only pulls values from attributes specific to each product. Additionally, you can set the minimum and maximum text lengths for product descriptions and excerpt. After configuring your predefined settings, simply click the Generate button. WriteText.ai begins generating text for each product. You can track the progress at the top of the screen. If necessary, you may close the page and return later. WriteText.ai Bulk will continue to generate text in the background until completion. At this point, the products are not live yet. The next step will guide you on how to put them live in your shop. Select Bulk Transfer. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the web content you wish to make live, and select the stores you want to transfer to in Magento. In this demonstration, we'll be putting everything live. Of course, you have the option to not make everything go live by deselecting products in the grid view. WriteText.ai Bulk now transfer all products to Magento. You can track the progress at the top of the screen. Now that all items are live, you can visit the individual product pages by clicking on View. Bulk is perfect for quickly generating text for a range of products, for instance, when onboarding a new distributor or introducing a new product category. The accuracy and relevance of the generated text improve with well-configured product attributes. To see the quality of our bulk-generated product descriptions, visit our demo Magento shop where all product texts were created using WriteText.ai Bulk.